Do you study for hours but still feel like nothing is going in? Then you should stop studying for hours and instead try this technique, the 25 and 5-minute study rule. It helps you to focus without feeling burned out. Well, in this video, I'm going to teach you how you can study smarter and faster. First, choose one topic and study for 25 minutes. For example, Python. During those 25 minutes, you should put your phone away and focus on one task only, as mobile phones can be a leading cause for your distractions. Then take a 5-minute break. Stand up, have a stretch, drink water, and walk around. After the break, repeat the same cycle 3 or 4 times. This way, you're not just only studying longer, you're studying smarter. By implementing this, you should see a major difference into your work productivity.